Hello everyone. I'm Andy, a lecturer from ThinkMo. Now I am teaching CCIE course. Starting today, I will share with you some CCNA, CCNP, CCIE related technologies. Our topic today is: what problems does MSTP solve? First, we need to know what is MSTP. We call it Multiple Spanning Tree Protocol, Multi-Instance Spanning Tree. We are talked about STP and RSTP in the last course. They are called single-instance spanning trees. Its biggest drawback: just can't be achieved load sharing. Let's take a look at this topology. A total of 40 VLANs. On the left is VLAN 10-20. On the right is VLAN 21-40. Well, now I'm in SW1, SW2 and SW3. The three switches corresponding VLANs have been created. A loop is formed between the three switches. We all know STP, mainly used to break the loop. For example, in these three lines, temporarily disconnect one of the lines. Now I use STP-RSTP. This can only be based on a spanning tree topology to work. Why is it called a spanning tree topology? Because these 40 VLANs can only go left or right. Left and right sides cannot work at the same time. This will not be possible. Load sharing. Next, let's say 40 VLANs go this way. The line on the other side is about to be broken. Of course, not really, but based on spanning tree. To break the loop, on the physical level, the cables between the two devices are connected, but only one side. Data can be forwarded. This involves our first question: link utilization. Then it's us mentioned VLAN. A total of 40 VLANs. Single instance is all. When VLANs share a spanning tree. But MSTP can flexible division. So how does it come about? Let's simply analyze. Multiple instances can spanning tree create multiple topologies. So how should it be created? For example, I want to 10 to 20 VLANs go left, 21 to 40 VLANs go right. Then create an instance 1. It is equivalent to the concept of group. Then add 10 to 20 VLANs to the group. On the other side, create instance 2. Put 21 to 40 VLANs, add to instance 2. Then instance 1 goes to the left. Instance 2 go to the right. This shows that instance 1 and instance 2 do not affect each other. This is what problems does MSTP solve? The first one is load sharing. The second is link utilization. If switch 1 and switch 2 use single instance, all VLAN go to the left. The data will be sent to SW1. This will increase the load on the equipment. SW2 is not working. When the left breaks, all the data will go to the right again. Then, based on this situation, MSTP through the way of shunt will reduce the load on the equipment. How to use MSTP next? Let's start with the switch. Create instance, such as instance 1, instance 2, and so on, can be divided flexibly. Then, based on these examples, allocated will. In this case, mainnet flexibility. We pass the VLAN. Add to the created instance. It's called instance and VLAN mapping. Then we put the instance. Bind to the corresponding VLAN. That's what we're talking about. Instance and VLAN mapping. Next, we need to know. By default, VLAN on the switch belongs to instance 0. It cannot be deleted. Present on the switch by default. when we did not. Under normal operation. 1 to 4094 VLANs. By default both. Belonging to instance 0. This concludes our sharing today. If you have any other technology would like to learn, welcome to leave a message or private message me if you are interested in what I have to say. Hope to like, share and subscribe. Thanks. See you next time.